Today's topic is characteristics of sewage or characteristics of wastewater. Characteristics of sewage. First characteristic is physical characteristics, and first physical characteristic is turbidity. As we know, I have already discussed turbidity in the case of potable water. Turbidity is cloudiness or muddiness of water, and turbidity measure on silica scale. But in sewage, turbidity due to floating material like fecal matters, paper pieces, matchsticks, etc. Second physical characteristics of sewage is color. If color is yellowish, gray, or light brown, it indicates fresh sewage. But if color is black or dark gray, it indicates stale and septic sewage or old sewage. Third physical characteristics of wastewater or sewage is odor. Fresh sewage is odorless, but after 3 to 4 hours, it becomes stale with all oxygen present in sewage consumed by organic matter. And odor measurement, threshold odor number. Threshold odor number is equal to volume of sewage plus volume of diluted waste upon volume of sewage. Fourth physical characteristic is temperature. It effect on biological activity and solubility of gases, and effect of temperature on also viscosity and sedimentation. Now, chemical characteristics of wastewater. First, pH value, chloride content, and nitrogen content. We have already discussed. Now, next chemical characteristics and important is total solids, suspended solids, and settleable solids. Sewage contains approximate 0.05 to 0.1 percentage of total solids, 500 to 1000 milligram per liter. Suspended solids in sewage remain floating in sewage. Dissolved solids in sewage remain dissolved in sewage. Third is colloidal solids. Colloidal solids means finely divided solids remaining either in solution or suspension. And settleable solids, solid matters which settles out if remain undisturbed for a period of 2 hours, then they are settled. In 1000 kilogram of sewage contains approximate 0.45 kg or 450 gram of total solids. So total solid is 0.45 kilogram. The breakup of total solids or 450 gram is 0.225 kilogram in solution plus 0.112 or 112 gram in suspension and plus 1.112 or 112 gram is settleable solids. Total solids in other forms, total solids 45% organic solids plus 55% inorganic solids in the form of sand and etc. inorganic matters. Total amount of solids S1 milligram per liter and suspended solids is S2 retained by glass fiber filter. This is a type of filter, glass fiber filter apparatus of 1 micrometer pores and called non filtrable solids. Suspended solids are non-filtrable solids retained on glass fiber filter. Now, S1 is total solid, S2 suspended solid, S1 minus S2 is equal to S3. S3 is represent filtrable solids, which include dissolved solids plus colloidal solids. S3 is filtrable solid or dissolved plus colloidal solid. Non-filtrable solid S2. Non-filtrable solid is burnt and ignited at about 550 degrees centigrade in an electric muffle furnace for about 15 to 20 minutes. Non-filtrable solids retained on filters, fiber filters, is ignited. Then, after ignition, loss of weight. Loss of weight due to ignition is volatile solid is equal to S4. Then S2. S2 means suspended solid or non-filtrable minus volatile solid S4. Suspended solids minus volatile solids is equal to volatile or ignited is equal to S5. Rest of the solid S2 minus S4 is equal to S5 means fixed solids, not volatile solids. Now quantity of settleable solids S6 can be determined with the help of specially designed conical glass vessel called Imhoff cone, and capacity of Imhoff cone is 1 liter and is graduated up to about 50 ml. Sievage is allowed to stand for 2 hours and quantity of solid settled in cone can be read out on a scale. These are the determination of solids, different types of solids. Next, chemical characteristics of sewage is dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is a very important term because oxygen, dissolved oxygen is necessary for aquatic life. If deficiency of oxygen in river or lake, this is very harmful for aquatic life. Only fresh sewage contains some dissolved oxygen, which is soon depleted by aerobic decomposition. Aerobic decomposition means decomposition or oxidation with the help of aerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria is the type of bacteria which survive in the presence of oxygen. That is the aerobic bacteria. So depleted by aerobic decomposition due to aerobic bacteria. If temperature of sewage is more, the dissolved oxygen content will be less. Dissolved oxygen content is generally determined by Winkler's method. In this method, which is an oxidation reduction process, which liberated iodine in amount equivalent to the quantity of dissolved oxygen present. Dissolved oxygen present equivalent to liberated iodine in Winkler's method. And one more thing, dissolved oxygen in water which are to be disposed in river. Before disposing the sewage in river, minimum dissolved oxygen in wastewater should be 4 ppm or 4 milligram per liter. minimal quantity of dissolved oxygen in wastewater should be present. This is the characteristics of wastewater.